the Ixtoc blowout from 1979, 1980 is very relevant to the Deepwater horizon and projecting the future for the Deepwater horizon. In geology, there's this beautiful idiom, the present is the key to the past, but the past provides a window to see into the future. The fact that it was a blowout system like the Deepwater horizon, that is Ixtoc, albeit it happened in shallower water, it went on for 9 months straight, not 3 months. When we look at the sediments in the Ixtoc system, we can see them, even the deep sediments from 500 meters to 2,000 meters, there's these layers that have been dated to be correlated with the 1979 blowout event. And what's really important is that you can see very, very fine lamination structures in those sediments, and that indicates that there was no bottom organisms that were disturbing the sediments. What we've seen in the 35 years since is that sediments have now accumulated on top of them and are now showing signs of bioturbation. In other words, the organisms have returned. But they do not penetrate to the point where they would bother the blowout sequence of sediments. But what we can tell by dating those sediments is how quickly the system recovered. Did it take 5 years? Did it take 10 years? Did it take 20 years for the benthic system to recover? And did that recovery involve the same community of organisms that came back, or were there modifications to and alterations to the community structure in terms of the types of species and the distributions of species? So using the past as a predictive tool to see into the future as it relates to the recovery of the northern Gulf of Mexico is incredibly relevant.